What if counting numbers was fun like play and sparks? Come join our little adventure. We're learning in the park. One red ball bouncing high, two kites soaring in the sky, three soft swings that sway with glee, four tall slides. Come race with me. Five bright hoops we roll around, six cute puppies on the ground, seven leaf piles stacked up high, eight ladybugs crawling by, nine giggly kids who run and cheer, 10 soft clouds drifting near. Count and play, hooray, hooray. Numbers dance the park today. Learning's fun when friends are near. Let's count again from here to here. 11 rainbow bubbles floating free, 12 butterflies fluttering by the tree, 13 pebbles lined up in a row, 14 footprints where the sneakers go.